What's up, guys? I know this is kind of a different angle. I'm going to do a wee bit of chainsaw sharpening. This is Todd. I'm with Bible and a Chainsaw, guys. I just want to first give a shout out to a man who also is on YouTube. His name is Buck and Billy Ray, and I just want to say I learned how to sharpen from this man. Check out his channel. I learned how to sharpen a saw years ago from one of his videos. So I want to give honor where honor, where honor is deserved, okay? So if you want to really get it down on how to sharpen, check his video out. I'm going to show you a wee bit of mine here, okay? This chain got hit pretty good. I'm definitely going to get the gullet, as old Buckin would say. Oh, the mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are bad out here, guys. It's the end of March, and it's been winter time, but dang, this tooth is rocked, man. Whew. Oh, that's a beaut, huh? Okay, guys. So, let's see how that turned out. So that is what my tooth that I just did looks like. Let's see, give you guys top plate angle. If she'll give it to me. And this may not be the greatest. See there? Okay, and we can look from the side what that sucker looks like. Okay, that's what she looks like. Okay, maybe that gullet needs to be taken out a tiny bit more, but yeah. So you have your raker side plate, which is a little C. Then you have your top plate, which is this right here, guys. That's your top plate. And your working corner, Lord, your working corner is right there. Okay, that's your working corner, guys. And then you have a little guide on the top. You have a little guide on the top. That's called a witness mark, okay? That's your witness mark. And people always talk about how many strokes and this and that. I'm telling you what, it doesn't matter how many strokes. It matters with the chain on until it's sharp, and that's just the way it is. So if I could get another angle, actually, in fact, what would be pretty rad if I could, sorry guys, I am new at this. I'm like real new. That would be an interesting angle. This file's about done. So, yeah, that's good. Okay, so I'm just gonna go here. This chain's getting on its last leg, let me tell you. Oh yeah. All kinds of crap on that chain too, like oil and stuff. I need a new file, guys. I'll be right back. Using a 7/16 file, or I'm sorry, 7/32 file. Guys, also it's nice to have a rag or something, because if you don't, then you can have all kinds of oil on there and all that, and it's just no good, man. Boy, that tooth is right at the end of its life, dude. Yeah. Just want to clean this crap off. Makes it easier to file. Oh yeah. Oh, looks like I've already filed this. Okay. So this side is done. Alrighty guys, we're going left. Left, 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 right, right? That Douglas fir gets your chain real dirty, man. Ooh, buddy. And I'm not like pushing hard on this file at all, guys. It's something that you got to do smoothly, you know, because you got to think you're I mean, this left side looks pretty darn sharp already. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, honestly. And I honestly don't know what the angle looks like from you guys. I used to not be any good sharpening without a guide, but it just took practice not to sharpen with a guide, because once you get it down, it becomes just becomes second nature, you know. And not saying that I'm the greatest at it, but I do get firewood and I do chainsaw carving, so you know, shoot, I'm done, dude. Okay, I'm all done. You guys are way down here. This little device right here, guys, has a hard side and a soft side, all right? And you have to have a file. And what this is for these right here. This is called a depth gauge, okay? This takes your rakers down to the proper length so that tooth can cut the same sliver, or I'm sorry, the same chip. It can cut the same chip of wood from each cut, okay? So all you do is lay this sucker across here, line it up, all right, and then you just go across just like that. All right, super simple. It's like, you know, it doesn't take rocket science to do this. I mean, but you got to have the right tool. This is a 3/8 chain, 050. It's good chain, man. Oopsie. So now this is, of course, round file is different than hand square filing. I like to hand square file, and that's actually a lot of fun. It's 3 45-degree angles. And that's something I'll have to go into on another video, because I see a lot of guys online that are, dang, I accidentally filed my thumbnail. I see a lot of guys online filing into the tooth with square filing, and that's just going to jack your file up. Now that is definitely something to learn that I have experimented with myself, because I used to file into the tooth as well. So yeah, hope you guys are having a good time. Like I said, this is something that I've learned just through the years of doing this, guys. Do I do it every day? No, but I do it a lot. I do it a lot. And I think I may have already got these. They're shining, boy. Yeah, looks like I'm done. Alright, so my chain is done. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you. Woo, that sucker's sharp. Yeah, and I'll just give you a glance of what my chain looks like right fast. Sorry, I got the hiccups going. And you know, all these guys are not all the exact same length. Some of them are a little bigger, you know, some are a little smaller, but I'll tell you what, she's gonna cut.